Hello everyone, this is Deepak Bari. Welcome to this video. Now in this video we will learn about the clock command in Cisco routers and switches. So we will do this practical in our Cisco Packet Tracer. So just open up your Cisco Packet Tracer software and let's get started. Now in this time we will take just a router and a switch and we will see what the clock command does here and what we can do with that command and why this command is useful and when to use this command. So let's take a router here. So I am taking 2911 series router and take a random switch here. So we will not definitely do any kind of configuration in router and switch. We just have to set the clock and see what's the time right now in the router CLI iOS and switches iOS also. So let's first open this router and just go to the CLI tab. And due to we did not configure any kind of configuration before in this router, and we just started this router here, so that's why this dialog comes up here. Otherwise you will see this kind of dialog like router and caret sign. So just keep the enable keyword here and the global configuration is mode turned down here. Now give this command show clock. So right now what it does, the show command, we have already seen about the show command. There is various possibilities to give another command also. So but now we are using this show with along with the clock command, so that it will just showing only the clock of the current time. So that's the boot time of this router. So that means it's not the correct time right now because it's 11:21 p.m. It's 2nd of July 2022. So we have to set this time or the clock time inside this router. In case of switch we can say the same. Just go to the CLI tab and give this command show clock, and before we have to go into the global configuration mode. As we can see, this is the hour end and this is the minute and this is the second and the milliseconds and so on. So the clock format is like the UTC and Monday, March 1st and 1983, but we have to set it by manually here. So just give this command like show clock and question mark. So we have a possibility to give the detailed command also there. So the time source is hardware calendar, so hardware renders this kind of clock into this device, so we have to set this one. So just close this terminal and open up this router, and we have to set this clock by using the clock command, and give the clock command and type clock set and question mark. So as we can see now, the time format for the current time is HH:MM:SS. That means this is the 24 hours clock time format, so we have to set it accordingly. So right now it's 11:22 here, 2nd of July 2022. So give this like 23 and the second is like 9, 10, 11, like we have to give like 12. And it also asks about the day of the month, which is 2nd, and the month, which is July, and finally we have to put the year here. It's 2022. Now if we can see this clock command here, so we are getting the accurate time right now. So remember, whenever you are setting this kind of time, so it will set as a UTC time zone, so you have to configure it accordingly. Now just close this CLI tab and open the switches CLI tab. Now let's configure here. Clock set, and the time is 23 and 24, and let's say it's 25. Now give the day and the month, and after that year. Then hit the enter key and the clock will be set the new time. Now let's see the clock again, show clock, and there this is our time in UTC format, Saturday July is 2022. So as you can see and notice here, because we did not set the day of the week, so that is the Saturday here, so that means the clock is showing the correct time. So this was all about for this video. So I hope you have understand about the clock command in our Cisco IOS for router and switches. So if you have any kind of question and any kind of queries regarding this command, so you can just write down below in the comment box. So thanks for watching this video guys, and guys, see you on the next video.